Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create Linux instance in Amazon EC2 services. So first you need to log in aws.amazon.com/console. In the right side, please click on sign into the console. Select the root user and enter your email address. Click on next, enter the password and click sign in. So this is your AWS management console. Click on services, select compute and open Amazon EC2 services. Go to instances. So click on launch new instance by clicking launch instances. And you can provide the name of the server. So based on your region, so first 3 letters of your region name. After that, which operating system you're creating. So right now I'm going to create Amazon Linux. In shortcut, we can create AL. And this is the first server I'm creating. And you can give 001. This is the name of the server. So with this name, after we creating in Amazon EC2, list of instances are, if you created in your real-time environment, you can easily identify with the server name. So whatever the name you're giving here. So second one, application and OS image, we are selecting the Amazon Linux. And below we have a AMI is there. AMI means Amazon Machine Image. So which operating system you need to load on this instance. So now you can select the by default Amazon Linux 2023 AMI. It's a free tier eligible. So please minimize here and go to the instance type. So we have a n number of instance types are there, low end to high end. So please select only T2 micro, which is eligible for free tier model. Minimize here and key pair. So key pair, which is used to connect the server. So it's kind of password and we can generate the new key pair here by clicking this. So the key pair name, you can provide the server name here. Any name you can give. And you can select RSA and select the PPK, private key file format. Click on create key pair. The file will get downloaded in the download folder and please minimize this option. And coming to the network settings. So leave it as a default option, don't make any changes. So in this network settings, by default, it will create a new security group with SSH security port will get created for to communicate Linux server remotely. So SSH port number 22. So please minimize here and configure the storage. Don't make any changes. 8 GB is enough for practice purpose. So that's it. And only one server we are creating. Don't create more than one server. And click summarize and click launch an instance. This will take a couple of minutes to create the instance. After creating the instance, you can click view all instances. You can check here. So this is MUMAL001 server. Right now it is a pending to create. Please wait for some time. So once a machine is created, you will get a public IP address and private IP address. So you can use public IP address to connect the server. So meanwhile, we can download the SSH client from internet to connect this Amazon EC2 instance. Go to the new tab, type putty.org and click enter. So download putty, click download here. And here we have alternate binary files 64-bit x86, you can select the putty.exe. Once you click download, it will be downloaded on the download folder. And you can run here, or maybe you can copy this file and keep it on the desktop like this. Once you double click and open, this is a screen you'll get. So here you need to copy the public IP address of your server and go to the connection, select SSH authentication credentials. Click on browse and the downloads. You have created key pair. You please select the exact key pair and select open and click open here. You will get this security alert screen. You click accept, and now you need to provide the username is EC2-user. EC2-user is a small letters. You should not type capital letters, and hit enter. Now you successfully connected Linux server from the putty console. So by default, the fonts are very small. You can right click on this border. So click on change settings. You'll get this window. Go to appearance, go to change settings, select 20 and click OK. Apply. So now the fonts are increased to 20 size. Thanks for watching.